360Maker review. Video marketing is always a perfect choice to advertise and market your products to customers. However, the needs of customers are increasing day by day, and meeting those needs are what makes businesses have a headache trying every day to be able to keep up with the tastes of consumers. A video that comes off as authentic is what gives the best customer experience. That's right. What I mean by this is the 360 virtual tour video. The 360 virtual video makes buyers feel like they are touching and seeing the product directly in the showroom. Introducing 360Maker. 360Maker is the first app that lets you create lightning-fast 360-degree videos that are ready to embed on just about any page builder. You can turn any person or object into a lifelike 3D spin video that you can use to showcase the product better. All you need is 3 steps. Step 1. Upload the photos from your smartphone into the 360Maker video creation page. The 360Maker robust artificial intelligence will automatically create an engaging 360-degree, 3D spin video in just seconds. Step 2. Enhance and add final touches using inbuilt customization and add your logo as well. Step 3. Choose an option to export your 360-degree 3D spin video and embed your video on any video website or host with us on your own 360-degree viewing page. Sounds like a dream, right? Create a stunning 360-degree 3D spin video from any photos in seconds. Cash in with YouTube channels. Imagine the possibilities with 360Maker in your arsenal. Get access to 360Maker today for only $35. Click the link in the description for details. Here is a quick demo of 360Maker in action.
In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any object, person, pet, or product into a 3D spin video using 360Maker. Ready for Metaverse. First thing, you want to log in to your 360Maker dashboard and click on Get Started. You create a project, you give it a name, and click Next. And then you upload the images of the product or object you want to convert into a 3D spin product video. Now, you can take pictures of these products or these objects using your phone and upload them directly into 360Maker in just a click. And just like that, 360Maker will process these images, put them all together, and convert them into a 3D spin video for you, where you can reorganize and arrange them as you want. Now, once that is done, you can add height, you can change width, you can add a custom link, you can add a phone number, change the skin of the player, add location, player control, links, phone numbers, add a full screen option, and lots of customization for how your video and player is going to look. Next step, you can add hotspots on any of the pictures that you've added to add hotspot to a specific section of the 3D spin video that you're going to create. And you can add text, embed codes, whatever you want. And finally, your 3D spin product video is ready, which you can now embed into any website or download as you want. Next step would be to convert this 3D spin video into a downloadable video or a GIF as you want. To do that, we're going to click on Create Video button, give it a name, select the 3D spin that we have just created. We can select how many times we want the 3D spin to keep on looping. Then we can add a header, footer, and customize what kind of template we want for the video. Add our text, color, images, customize the video as we want, add our call to action, and then on the next step we can add a background music, voiceover, text to speech based on the upgrade account that you have, and then you can download this as a video or as a GIF. Now, this is how easy it is to use 360Maker to create your own 3D spin video ready for Metaverse. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help. Cheers.